So it is one of those snow days and you don't know what to do. So it's snowing outside. Let's just try a quick exercise that you guys could do to practice our art and our color wheel. So I ran around and I found a bunch of items. If I was making a color wheel, I would know that I have to do my primary colors, red, and I have my blue, and I definitely have my yellow. And so I can set them out, and you could even, if you have a piece of paper, put your name on it just so you can see and take a picture to send me. But you could definitely just kind of start laying them out. Now, as I mix my primary colors, I get my secondary colors. So red plus yellow equals orange. Now I could take just a red or an orange crayon, or I found just a piece of yellow construction paper that I can put in to that place. So either of these would work in making a color wheel part. If I mix my yellow and my blue, I could take something like this green can and I could put otherwise a green crayon. So there's kind of mixing up. And my last one is I could definitely mix red and blue and I could get purple. And so I could put in that, or I also have a purple pair of scissors. So these are just some of the items that I found around quickly. And you can see now I created just kind of a nice little color wheel with my stuff that I found around my house. So whether you're taking a red crayon or whether you're taking the red cup of like that's a crayon, or you're putting all these other tools in, create a color wheel and send me a picture. I hope you guys have a great time finding a color wheel around your house.